Greetings of the day from CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia. Today we will be discussing how to upgrade our thinking, because that is the foundation of all our actions. Our thoughts are foundations. And, I have created an acronym called LOL, Financial Planning, Light-Hearted. So LOL means laugh out loud. So here LOL means L is a lateral thinking. Think out of box. There is a consultative paper of NAFRA which talks about that small businesses need not be audited. Now my thinking is this is an opportunity to tell to the whole world what an auditor does. Auditor finds out internal control which helps business to grow. Auditor finds out, that business complies with all laws, employment laws, industry related laws which applies to that particular business. So lateral thinking helps in every activity. Then the second alphabet in LOL is O. Sometimes we overanalyze, we feel that this will happen. Once we start thinking on a negative side, we feel that it becomes a monster. So we should take a face value of what is what. Then the third alphabet, L, is learning. We have to continuously see that we learn, we add our value, enhance. So LOL, F, P, both very, very important. Both are very important. F is for fear. Out of fear, we don't take many decisions. Fear may be in respect of the financial losses. Fear may be in respect of age. Like, I have decided for myself that I will live for 125 years. Now my actual life will be decided by Almighty. So we should not have fear about anything which is going to happen. It is an imaginary thing. P is a past. Now whatever has happened 1 minute prior cannot be redone. It will be there till our death, and it will also be there for all times to come. But past is past. The best way is to enjoy the same perception. I enjoy every second of my past. I dance on my past. I did my best because it was done in respect of the understanding at that point of time. Then light-hearted. The second is we have to be live wire. See, it is like a contagious thing. If I am most happy, if I am enthusiastic, then the surrounding to me, my family, my team members, society, every one will be like, I greet, have a best morning of your life, have a best day of your life. So every moment is the best moment of the life. Then H is, it is for me to decide. H is for happiness. It is the state of mind. We can be happy in the worst of the things. So today's video, I am talking about how by upgrading our thinking, God has, Almighty has given us 70,000 thoughts in 24 hours. And these thoughts, every negative thought can be buried immediately. It should become part of our blood, part of our habit. And we can create on our own. God has given us 6 mental faculties, very powerful faculties. I have made an acronym. Prime Minister is VIRI. So perception, P for perception, M for memory, W for will, have a very big will. I for imagination, R for reason, and another I for intuition. So let us upgrade our thinking every second and enjoy the life with dancing every second. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Do let me know on what topics you need videos. Thank you.